吃，吃。
Eat.
Eat.
你想吃什么？你想吃什么？
What would you like to eat?
What would you like to eat?
吃饭，吃饭。
Eat rice.
Eat rice.
我想吃饭，我想吃饭。
I'd like some rice.
I'd like some rice.
吃早饭，吃早饭。
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
我每天7点吃早饭。我每天7点吃早饭。
I have breakfast at 7 every day.
I have breakfast at 7 every day.
吃午饭，吃午饭。
Have lunch.
Have lunch.
你几点吃午饭？你几点吃午饭？
What time do you have lunch?
What time do you have lunch?
中午12点。中午12点。
At noon.
At noon.
吃晚饭，吃晚饭。
Have dinner.
Have dinner.
今晚我们去饭店吃晚饭。今晚我们去饭店吃晚饭。
We are going to the restaurant for dinner tonight.
We are going to the restaurant for dinner tonight.
吃米饭，吃米饭。
Eat rice.
Eat rice.
吃面条，吃面条。
Eat noodles.
Eat noodles.
你想吃米饭还是吃面条？你想吃米饭还是吃面条？
Do you want rice or noodles?
Do you want rice or noodles?
我想吃面条。我想吃面条。
I want to eat noodles.
I want to eat noodles.
吃水果，吃水果。
Eat fruit.
Eat fruit.
他爱吃水果，不爱吃面条。他爱吃水果，不爱吃面条。
She likes fruit. She doesn't like noodles.
She likes fruit. She doesn't like noodles.
吃苹果，吃苹果。
Eat apples.
Eat apples.
吃西瓜，吃西瓜。
Eat watermelon.
Eat watermelon.
他吃了苹果，又吃西瓜。他吃了苹果，又吃西瓜。
He ate apples and watermelons.
He ate apples and watermelons.
吃鱼，吃鱼。
Eat fish.
Eat fish.
奶奶喜欢吃鱼。奶奶喜欢吃鱼。
Grandma likes to eat fish.
Grandma likes to eat fish.
吃羊肉，吃羊肉。
Eat lamb.
Eat lamb.
爸爸爱吃羊肉。爸爸爱吃羊肉。
Dad loves lamb.
Dad loves lamb.
吃烤鸭，吃烤鸭。
Eat roast duck.
Eat roast duck.
吃炸鸡，吃炸鸡。
Eat fried chicken.
Eat fried chicken.
我们喜欢吃烤鸭，也喜欢吃炸鸡。我们喜欢吃烤鸭，也喜欢吃炸鸡。
We like to eat roast duck and fried chicken.
We like to eat roast duck and fried chicken.
吃中国菜，吃中国菜。
Eat Chinese food.
Eat Chinese food.
他们喜欢吃中国菜。他们喜欢吃中国菜。
They like to eat Chinese food.
They like to eat Chinese food.
吃披萨，吃披萨。
Eat pizza.
Eat pizza.
吃汉堡，吃汉堡。
Eat hamburger.
Eat hamburger.
弟弟喜欢吃披萨和汉堡。弟弟喜欢吃披萨和汉堡。
My brother likes pizza and hamburger.
My brother likes pizza and hamburger.
吃蛋糕。吃蛋糕。
Eat cake.
Eat cake.
妹妹喜欢吃蛋糕。妹妹喜欢吃蛋糕。
My sister likes to eat cake.
My sister likes to eat cake.
吃鸡蛋。吃鸡蛋。
Eat eggs.
Eat eggs.
他每天早上吃2个鸡蛋。他每天早上吃2个鸡蛋。
He eats 2 eggs every morning.
He eats 2 eggs every morning.
吃药。吃药。
Take medicine.
Take medicine.
你生病了，你要吃药。你生病了，你要吃药。
You are sick and you need to take medicine.
You are sick and you need to take medicine.
谢谢观看。